For only a few cents worth of electricity, ECT machines deliver a devastating jolt to the brain that earns the psychiatric industry $1.2 billion year after year. While its manufacturers continue to avoid FDA testing to determine whether or not it is a hazard to public health, the billions in profits keep rolling in. Today, psychiatrists give ECT to 1 million people worldwide every year.
I had nothing in my brain. I didn't know where I was.
Your mind has been raped. It's no different than if I was bodily raped. I was raped.
I had attempted suicide because I was so depressed because I just wasn't what I used to be.
It wiped out my life.
ECT is basically you just bombard the brain with this horrendous amount of electricity, which causes a seizure.
I've never seen anybody long-term who's had electroshock treatment who hadn't suffered a lot of problems psychologically, mentally, memory-wise.
Under oath, even ECT's main proponent admitted to its severe dangers.
Altered cognition is the most common side effect of ECT. That memory loss occurs, it's universal, and in some individuals it can be profound.
Incredibly, the electroshock machines that deliver this much raw power have still never been tested or approved by the United States government. It wasn't until 2011, after years of protests by electroshock survivors and their families, that a U.S. law forced the Food and Drug Administration into finally ordering hearings into the safety of shock machines.
I would like to call this meeting of the Neurological Devices Panel to order.
There, psychiatrist after psychiatrist with conflicts of interest within the industry, such as Richard Weiner, Charles Kellner, and Sarah Lisenby, ignored the overwhelming evidence of damage and attempted to present ECT as somehow safe and effective.
ECT is the most effective and rapidly.
Though the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has never deemed the ECT machine safe and effective, psychiatrists and the makers of these machines are once again trying to avoid testing them. They're trying to reclassify them into the same safe and effective category as wheelchairs, without any testing and in spite of all the evidence and testimony you've just seen.